In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Atome on TikTok Shop. Before you begin, make sure you have your Atome card details ready. Having everything on hand will make checkout much faster and help you avoid interruptions once you reach the payment screen. First, launch TikTok on your device. If the app asks you to sign in, go ahead and log in so you can continue to TikTok Shop without any issues. Once you're inside the app, find the items you want to purchase. You can do this by browsing TikTok Shop, searching for a product directly, or opening a product you've already saved. When you're ready to make the purchase, tap Buy Now if you're purchasing a single item right away, or tap Checkout if you already have items in your cart. This will take you to the order summary page, where you can review the details of your purchase before payment. On the order summary page, scroll down until you see the payment method section. This is where you'll choose how you want to pay. If you don't immediately see the option you need, tap View All Payment Options to expand the list. From there, select credit or debit card since your Atome card will be entered as a card payment. Next, fill in the payment details carefully. Start by entering your 16-digit Atome card number. After that, type in your legal full name exactly as required for the card, then enter the card's expiry date and the CVV. Be sure to double-check all the information before moving on, because even a small typo can cause the transaction to fail. If TikTok Shop gives you the option to save the card for future purchases, you can check that box if you want a faster checkout next time. If you prefer not to store your card details, you can simply leave it unchecked. Once everything looks correct, tap Place Order. At that point, your payment will begin processing. In some cases, a secure verification window may appear. This is part of 3D Secure, an extra layer of protection for online card payments. If that happens, enter the one-time password sent to your registered Atome phone number to authorize the transaction. After verification is completed, your order should go through successfully. And that's all it takes to pay with Atome on TikTok Shop. Just open TikTok, choose your items, select credit or debit card at checkout, enter your Atome card details, and confirm the payment securely.